Hi, thank you for watching this week's Hot Property Online. My name is Kristian Harris. As we sit here in kind of mid-December, in our industry and probably a lot of industries, there's a lot of parties, get-together, social gatherings. There's also family gatherings. And I've been seen to be talking about the last week or so at these events. People saying, oh, how was 2018 as far as the mortgage market, real estate? What's 2019 going to look like? As far as what it's going to look like in 2019, my answer's been the same all the time. I don't know, because no one really knows. It's tough to say. As far as to reflect back on 2018, a couple things. Stress test did its job. It really slowed down the market. On top of that, there was a wave of increasing interest rates. So the combination of those two really had an impact on the market. As far as the real estate market, people were hoping that we would get back to the prices of kind of early 17. Didn't happen. So 2018 was it was a tough year in the mortgage market as far as people getting qualified. They qualified for less. People were not able to refinance like they were before because of the pressure on the lenders to stop giving out equity to clients. The government's really trying to crack down on that. So moving forward, what does that mean? I don't think it changes. We can't control what the government does, what the banks can or can't do, what the real estate market's going to do, or what rates are going to do. We don't know. It looks like rates, 6 months ago they said, oh, rates are going to be going up. Looks like they've curtailed that a bit. Pretty soon you're going to be receiving your annual mortgage statement, and you're going to see on there, what your balance is, how much you paid off in principal, what your remaining amortization is. That's always a good time to kind of look forward as to, what are we going to do this year, next year, and the years to come. There's going to be a lot of bills coming in the mail in January, and that's, people after Christmas want to pay off some of the bills and that. But when you get that mortgage statement, sit down and really look at what you want to do. Maybe you have an 8-year amortization left, but cash flow is kind of tight right now, and you want to maybe extend that amortization. You don't have to maybe take out new money, but you just want to, reduce your monthly mortgage payment to help with cash flow. Maybe you want to look at potential future renovations, or you got a couple kids in high school that'll be going to university. It's always a good time to sit down when you get that statement and maybe pick up the phone to your mortgage broker or give us a call and say, hey, I just want to sit down and look at my options, or just do some long-term planning. So 2019, I think we can expect much of the same as 18. It's going to be tougher, more stress tests. Said that word probably 1,000 times this year, but tougher regulations. As far as the values, we don't know if we're going to have another spring market like we did before, but all you can do is plan for what you have and what you know now. So give us a call. We'll be happy to help you. Thank you.